Wait. When I kill the DPO, when I carry the body,
sir, I'm not lying for you, sir. When they kill DPO, I'm across of water. When they carry DPO come, sir, I will not lie for you. I swear with Almighty God, He will create my life. I be one kind of person. So I be like this. I will not feel life for you. I get woman conscience. When they carry and come, I know if you see myself. I know if you see. I swear to Almighty God, I hide from a cross where they carry and come. Cross where they carry and come. That across, you carry you go there.
You know where they bury them?
Now, if now where they bury them, now the thing with me, I don't know. I don't go feel like to you, sir. I swear with Almighty God. I don't go feel like to you, but that place where they carry and come, I feel escort you go there. I know there. I swear to Almighty God.
Okay, no. How many guns? When it is you took over there?
Sir, with my truthful, I will not lie for you. I will not lie for you. I swear with Almighty God. Two Baba get gone.
Like you go reach 40, 50.
Two Baba get gone. Two Baba gone. I no go feel like for you, sir. Reach like 40. I no feel like for you, sir. I swear with Almighty God, you create my life.
Who the supply and go?
Sir, since when me I go there, I no feel like for you. I swear with Almighty God, I only talk with you when me I look. I swear. Person where the supply and gone, in the call and through phone when they call them. Anytime when you need them, you go call them. If you call them, you go send money for them through account. When you send that money for them through account, when you send for them, before go no, you go say they don't deliver them. You go collect them. I swear to Almighty God. I swear to Almighty God, sir. I will not lie for you anything. So, with this thing, sir, I swear.
Never mention the person.
All this place, when me I tell you, all this thing when me I tell you, I swear. That place where the day where we stay before I run come out, I feel the bottom. Go there.
Okay, we should go to sponsor now for this time.
People with the sponsor.
For this time.
Sir, I will not lie for you. Two Baba get so many people when they call them, when they discuss with them. I don't feel like for you. Something when they do, need their laws. Anything when they do, they go just they tell us, say do this, say do this. The people will say them with us, then they work together. Sir, you know, can tell us. I swear with the Almighty God.
Okay, before that key, which native doctor where the cancer do?
Sir, I don't feel like for you, sir. That man when carry come, through phone, when call him. Since for my life, never even see that man. See that man from Ogoni. I think them talk no feel like for you, sir.
But you see the man now?
Sure, sir. I see the man.
The man had dwarf or not talk.
The man no talk. The man no talk.
The
man short. He no too black. The man no too black. So I no feel like for you. Anything where that man with them, then they do self. That one no concerning boys. Anything where that man with them, then they do. No concerning boys. You let that man with them, then they do their thing.
They're gonna just leave